Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be making the word generator. The first thing we're going to do is go into the game and get rid of happy, the example. Then for the push button, we'll remember the ID. ID is push. We'll go into English and we'll write push dot set on click listener. After we do that, we'll write word with a parentheses. This word is going to be a function that we'll be creating. So we're going to making the function, private function, and we're going to name this word. The first variable is going to be called I, and this variable will equal random. The next variable will be called ran, and this variable will be equal I dot next int, and inside the parentheses for the int will be the array. So on top of class, we'll write a array, which will be val array equals array list of, and in the greater than and less than signs, we're going to put string, and inside the parentheses, we're going to put in happy, comma, great, comma, and awesome. So these are our three words. Inside here, we'll write array dot count, and then we'll go into the text that we'll be using. We'll remember the ID for this text view, which is answer. Write answer dot text equals the array name to brackets, and we are going to put this variable that has the array.count. This variable that I named it is ran. So what will happen is when you push this button, it will run this function and it will randomize between these three words. So we will be running it. So it's going to be scanning the code, and it's going to tell us if there's any mistakes. It looks like it's not, so it's going to go straight to launching it. And it launched the app. We'll go into English, and we'll push this button. And you can see that it works. So this will be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye!